also tragedy when we're in too deep. And you and I, we got history, yeah. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. I'm sorry for all the pain. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you've had a great week. So today I have another Halloween look for you guys. This is a bit of a different Halloween look. It isn't like super gory, but it is very different. So I got inspired by this t-shirt. It says quarantine on it and it has the biohazard symbols and like caution tape all over. I am like absolutely obsessed with this t-shirt. This t-shirt is from Mr Gugu Miss Go, so if you want it then you can use the code Alyshia15 to get 15% off their website. I absolutely love their things and I've just done a haul on all their clothes. I wish I could get contacts that filled in the whole eye, but I do have them. I can't put them in for the life of me, so I will just edit the rest of my eyes for Instagram. Oh my gosh, yay, it is October now, woohoo! My favorite month. My month to shine, guys, because it is Halloween soon, and obviously I love SFX and gore and all that kind of good stuff, and also a lot of birthdays this month. So my birthday is on October the 10th, and I've got my best friend's birthday, one of my good friends' birthday, Matthew's birthday, and my mum's birthday, all in October. Would you guys wear this look? Let me know down below in the comments, and if you do like this look then give it a big thumbs up. I hope you guys like my new uploading day where I upload in the weekends now every Saturday, so yay. Remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit that big subscribe button down below, it would mean the absolute world to me. So anyway, if you want to know how to get this Biohazard Halloween tutorial then just keep on watching. Hey guys, so I started off with some normal makeup and then I'm taking my favourite Morphe and James Charles Unleash an Artist palette. This has got like every colour you could want and the shades are super pigmented. So I'm taking this green and I'm putting that on with a flat brush, and then I'm really blending it out with a fluffy brush right out to the temples. I really want this to be quite smoked out, and I repeated this on the other eye. And then I take this yellow shade, which has hit the pan, on a smaller brush and I put this in the center of the lid, and I also put it in the inner corners as well. I really like these colors. They're like super pigmented. If you don't have this palette already then I definitely recommend that you guys go and get it. Now I'm adding some yellow to the brow bone. I'm just going to blend that down to the green. And then, oh my gosh, look what I did. I didn't clean this brush. I was wanting green around the temples, and that's what I get for not cleaning my brushes. So I had to take it off, and then I put some green on the brush, on a new brush, and put this around my forehead, and I took some yellow and blended that in as well. It takes me a while to just get everything super blended and make sure that it doesn't look patchy. And just blend this right into the hairline. Now I'm just grabbing that same fluffy brush and I'm blending the green down my nose. I'm also putting it down my cheekbones and around my jawline. Now I'm taking the Thin Lizzy Duo eye pencil and I'm going to line my upper and lower waterline with this just to make my eyes super dark. Now I'm taking some water and a brush that I got from Warehouse Stationery, and also this Mehron Makeup Paradise AQ 8 color palette. This is like my favorite palette. I'm definitely going to buy the big palette, which costs like over $250. When I went to get it last year, it was sold out. So I'm going to try and get it this year before Halloween starts. And then I'm using the Tag Body Art Neon Rainbow palette. And I'm also drawing some green up the little black things that I did before. With the Mehron palette. I don't know where I got this idea from. It just kind of reminds me of my bird look I did on Glow Up NZ for some reason. And then I take this MAC Eye Kohl Fascinating and I'm going to map out the Biohazard symbol. I didn't want to just go in straight away with black in case I made a mistake. White's definitely more forgiving. If you do make a mistake you can just rub it out and try again. But yeah, I'm just mapping out the best I can, and I just looked at a picture off Google to do this. And then I'm taking my black paint on a brush and I'm just going over this. I really need some more makeup paint brushes because this one I was using was far too big and it was all wispied out and it was just much harder than it should have been. So now I'm using that black paint again and I'm lining my lips. I love using paint for lipstick now. I don't even bother going in to get a lipstick. And now I'm taking that yellow shade and it mixed in with the black, so it kind of created a green colour. And then I go on to add some yellow in the centre soon. But I add another like spike coming out from those tall black spikes on my forehead. Oh my god, I don't even know how to explain it. I'm going to add some yellow up the side of that one. And I added some yellow in the centre of my lips, and I added some yellow around the Biohazard and some green around the Biohazard symbol as well. Now I'm lining my upper lid with some eyeliner and putting on mascara. It's funny because when I showed Matthew this Halloween makeup look, the best part he loved was the lips. He's like, oh, the lips look cool. And look how pro I am at doing eyeliner now. Winged eyeliner, oh my gosh. I'm just so used to it, so I do it in one go. Now I'm using the Huda Beauty Mink lashes in Farah, and I'm putting those on. These are super dramatic, so perfect for Halloween looks. Now I'm taking some more of that green and I'm putting this on the lower lashes just to make them pop. Now for the fun part, this is so easy. I'm just drawing tears all the way from my lower lash line and down my cheeks, making sure to press really lightly as I come to the end so it kind of goes thinner. Then I take some yellow and green and black and just kind of mix up all the colours. And then I take some black and bring it down from my nose as if it looks like my nose is bleeding, and down from my lips as well. Then I'm just going to add some more down my necks. My neck. And I'm going to use black first, and then I do green and then yellow. I really love these colours together. It looks so cool. It's like waste disposal or something. Like, I don't know, neon green just reminds me of Biohazard. I don't know. These colours look so bright and fun. And I haven't really done a Halloween look like this before. It's not a scary one, but it's quite like a creative, fun Halloween look, if you know what I mean. So now I'm just defining my cheekbones with a dark green in the Morphe James Charles palette and adding some green down my neck in between those drips. Last but not least, I'm adding some Body Effects contact lenses in Blackout, which looks so cool. Okay, so that was the end of my Biohazard Easy Halloween tutorial. As you guys can see throughout the tutorial, it wasn't too hard at all. I'm not doing any crazy techniques or anything. The hardest part of this whole look was probably drawing the Biohazard sign and trying to get these bits here even. But they're still not even, so don't even worry about making them even. Just go the best you can. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up. Remember to leave me any Halloween recommendations down below in the comments so I can do some looks that you want me to do for the month of October. Subscribe to my channel, it would mean so much to me. I hope you guys have a great week, and I'll see you guys in my next week's video. Bye!